Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial we're creating the kick command, which will kick a user from the guild. So in order to that, go to the moderations folder and create a command called kick command, and that will implement slash, and then you want to implement all the methods including get options. Yep, so just do that. Is good only true, only forms guild command in a guild. False. Description: used to kick a user, a member. Name kick, and the options will be a list of, and the option we're gonna need is the option user. No, one second. Member option type. The user who you want to kick. I wonder if you can do member. No, just the user who you want to kick and the string. Option type dot string. Yep, and then close that off. Now, both need to be required. Actually, that needs to be required. So, anyways, now you want to get the user. So you can do user. Actually, have to be member. Yep. Member to kick equals event dot get option user, and option mapping get as member, and also you want to get the bot. So member bot equals event dot get guild. Actually, one second, just get an instance of the guild itself. So guild, make easy instead of having to consistently doing event dot guild. You can check if it's null. Guild equals event dot get guild. Yep. And also now we can get the bot. So member bot itself, member bot equals guild dot get self member there, and just do replace object require non null, and just basically throw an error for the bot null. Just say bot is null. So now we've got that. We also need to get the member, who's the person who's using the command. So member command performer equals event dot get member. So now we need to check for permissions. So when we did the ban command, actually the unban command, we created a separate method for you can just copy it, put it in here, and you wanna just copy this, save time. Command runner there, and instead of ban members, change that to kick members. Call it a special permission, kick members here. So now we've done that. Also we need to check if the member to kick is not null. If member to kick equals null, then event dot reply, and here you can only kick a member, and dot set informal true dot q. So that's fine. Also return, stop the program from running. Now we also want to check if the command runner can interact with member to kick. Just do if cannot, because if it can't, it would just go through an error because someone who has less permission that someone can't kick that person. So you do event reply, you can't kick a person who has more perms than you, and dot set informal true and dot q. Also return that. Now we can actually perform the command because we've done checked for all scenarios. Now you do event dot actually guild dot kick, and the member we want to kick is member to kick. Oh yeah, I forgot to get the reason string reason dot and the option mapping get as string. That's fine. Okay, now we can if we do guild dot kick and we want to add a reason dot q. Now we also want to add a success, so S for success, event dot reply successfully kicked the member. Then just do member to kick get effective name, and also queue it. I also want to add, in case an error occurs, event dot reply unable, and comma, unable to kick the user. What is exactly this? And pass, and the error is this comma plus e dot q there. That at semicolon, so that should be it. So if we test the command should function properly as long as we've done everything. So head over to your main, run the bot, and I'll be back as soon as the bot is running. Okay, so the bot's up and running. So now we want to test if the kick command is working. So we're gonna do kick, and we're gonna kick this bot YWK, and so just get rid of the perms. Actually, I now want to see if it works. So kick YWK test. Alright, so I figured out the issue. So you want to add an if statement to check if the bot cannot interact with the member to kick, or the person you want to kick, because they can't kick that member because the bot doesn't have enough permissions. So for this example, this bot who we're trying to kick, we can't kick it. So if we check the rules and just move this perm up there, and just give it a permission administrator, now it should let us kick that bot. So as you can see, we've successfully kicked that bot or member, so that shows that command is successfully working. So that's it for today's video. Have a great time and peace out.